'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night, this summer night, oh, this summer night.
So here's the package I received from Insta360. I actually received it a few days ago, and this is the only time I'll be able to unbox it. But anyway, let's go ahead and start the unboxing. This is Mackoy Suleiman of Mackoy Vlogs, and today, let's unbox the Insta360 AcePro Creator Kit. What's inside this Creator Kit? Let's find out. First, we have an Insta360 SD card. So upon opening the box, you'll see the camera right here, or the box of the camera right here. We have a surprise addition to the package. Aside from this one, nothing else from the box. So let's... Before we dig in, you might be wondering what makes Insta360 AcePro the best action camera. Let's go ahead and run through its features. So this is how the box looks like, and it also says here co-engineered with Leica, which is actually a pretty good thing. And on the other side of it, you'll see the main features of this camera. Here, the first one says 1/1.3 image sensor. Next one will be pure video on. Next is 4x120 frames slow motion. Next is flow state stabilization and horizon lock. And free frame video. This one for me is actually something I really look forward to. Imagine I'm not just uploading videos here in YouTube, where most videos are ideal to be in landscape mode. However, I also upload videos in TikTok as well as Instagram and Threads, where portrait mode is more recommended. So imagine I have to reshoot everything one after another. So this one is a game changer for me. Another first from Insta360. On the other side, another features, it says AI Highlight Assistant, 2.4-inch flip screen. This camera is also waterproof up to 10 meters, magnetic mounting system, and gesture and voice control. You actually see this most of the time for mobile phones, either Android or iOS, but for action camera, I believe this is the first time. Correct me if I'm wrong. Please let me know in the comment section if not. And let's go back to the front part of the box. And this time, let's open it. Let's go. Ooh. Wow. This combination of red and black color looks stunning. Upon opening the box, you can see the camera right here. Let's first remove this mini box within the box, or inside the box. Okay. Let's set this aside first, just like that. And let's see what's inside of this box. Insta360 stickers. Let me show them to you. Next is we have the Insta360 AcePro Quick Start Guide and Safety Guidelines, which we don't normally read. And this is the standard mount. As you can see, the logo right here. Next is the flexible adhesive mount. And Type-C to C cable. So this is what's inside the box. Okay. Alright, so let's move on to the camera. Where is the battery? I think it's inside already. You can say that this camera is heavy duty and compact since it's quite heavy. Let's go ahead and explore it more. On the right side, you'll see the power button right here. So this is where you put the SD card as well as the Type-C to C cable. Okay. And on the back side, we have the flip screen. Oh, how to... Oh, okay. You need to press the buttons on both ends. Ooh, just like that. So you can flip the screen in front of you. If, let's say, you're vlogging. So this is how it looks like. And on the other side, this I think is where we put the battery. Oh, okay. Here, the battery is already inside the camera. You have one battery right here, which is good. And you need to press it once again, making sure it's sealed. All right. And I also received an additional package from Insta360, and this is the multi-mount. And now, let's see what's inside of this plastic. Okay. Oh my god, I think I know this. This is the official, oh my god, Insta360 shirt. Thank boy. Thank you so much for this shirt. I love it. How to set up the Insta360 AcePro. Let's try the standard mount first on the camera. So this is how it's going to look like. Let's remove the stickers. And press both sides so we can attach the standard mount. Woo! It's sturdy. That pretty looks good. And let's set up the camera. So let's remove the SD card right here. Let's remove the stickers. And then let's turn it on. 4K video, 60 frames per second. Format is 16 by 9. And the SD card can record a video of 2 hours and 8 minutes. Please download the Insta360 app in the App Store or Google Play to activate your camera. Once you downloaded the Insta360 app, connect it to your phone, agree to the terms and conditions, update the firmware, and you're good to go. This time, we'll show you our underwater experience in using Insta360 AcePro for the first time. Hi everyone, it's 7 in the morning, the sun is up, and we are all geared up. So we are here today in Mabini, Batangas, where we usually dive, and I am here today with my dive buddy.
Hi, I'm Argil, and we're here to use Insta360 AcePro for our underwater videos. So, are you ready?
Oh, I am. Let's go.
Let's go!
While Coach Argil is afloat, she's also preparing the Insta360 AcePro. As soon as she's ready, she started the recording, took one full breath, and gave it a smooth duck dive. She reached around 5 meters, and since color red has the longest wavelength in the color spectrum, it usually disappears as we go deeper as shown on my POV. But this is what the Insta360 AcePro has recorded. As you can see, the skin tone is still visible despite the foggy or murky waters. I tried it myself too, and since the sun is at my back, it's normal to turn into silhouette. But as soon as the camera gained enough light, I became more visible as I continuously dive deeper. By the way, I'm using the default camera settings with 4K resolution, 120 frames per second, ratio of 16 by 9. I also turn off the active HDR option, and the orientation is D-warp. What I love about Insta360 AcePro, it automatically adjusts its exposure in low light, making every subject visible even if taking underwater videos with indifferent light source. Sounds amazing? Indeed! This time, we recorded these videos in free-frame video mode, with settings as follows. Once again, this is Mackoy Soliman of Mackoy Vlogs, together with RJ Laura of That Big Curves and Curls, thanking you for watching this video till the end. And if you find this video helpful, please like this video and share it with your friends. And most of all, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Mackoy Vlogs for more Insta360 content. See you again on our next video.